Solve the systems by substitution. So here we're going to now solve by substitution, where we just have to solve for one variable. Once that variable is isolated, we substitute the other half of our equation for that variable in the other linear equation. So because here I see that y is already solved for in my second linear equation, that means I can substitute for y in the first. So instead of having x plus y equals 10, I have x plus, and then I substitute for my y, and that equals 10. So now I substitute, and I end up with 3x plus 2. And I always keep parentheses just in case there are negatives or coefficients that you need to multiply with. But in this case, because there are no coefficients and there isn't a negative, we can just rewrite this as x plus 3x plus 2 equals 10. Then we simplify from there. 4x plus 2 equals 10. Subtract 2 from both sides. 4x equals 8. Divide by 4. X equals 2. And so that's the first part of my solution. Now I substitute into the equation where I solved for my y variable, because that'll be the easiest one to substitute in for. So now I have y equals 3x plus 2. I substitute my x equals 2 in, and this gives me y equals 3 times 2 plus 2. Y equals 6 plus 2. Y equals 8. So my final solution as an ordered pair is 2, 8. And that's how you solve by substitution. Solve for one variable, substitute it, then solve for the other.